Welcome back, it's Helen Godden for our Christmas Countdown Quilt-a-long. We're up to our second green leaf here, but just before we get started, I just wanted to show you I've just had some new stock arrive. I'm pretty excited about this. These are my rainbow scissors and they come with the little scissor holders. So with the rose gold ones, you get a rose gold scissor, and the classic black comes with the glorious rainbow. So these have got a sticker on the back which you open out, and that sticks, well, not on this side in amongst my threads, but you know, that sticks onto the side of the machine, and then I can hang my scissors in there. So that's a whole set that comes to you beautifully packaged like this, and I call those my snazzy scissors. So they come in rose gold or in the rainbow with the matching scissor holder. So there you go, that's another little idea, and they're on helengodden.com. So let's get on with our green leaf here for December 20. We're going to do that same echo business through here, and then I've got another plan for us just here. Needle down, bring up that bottom thread. It's such a good practice. So in the second half of our leaf here, I want to share with you a design I call zebra flames. Now it's based on the shape of an S that we stretch out and make a gentle curve. Now I call it zebra flames because it does remind me of the stripes on a zebra or flames of fire. So I'm going to move into an open space and show you the first shape we make, and once you've got that shape going, it's a matter of repeating it. So here's our stretched out S. And once you've got that shape, we're going to repeat it. Now for some variety, just like on a zebra, you can have some short stripes every now and then. So there we go, that looks quite nice. I like the movement in that one. So they're my zebra flames. We've got one more leaf to do. So I'm going to see you tomorrow for December 21. Bye bye, see you then.